Communication malfunction between indoor and outdoor units. Malfunction conditions. Indoor unit does not receive the feedback from outdoor unit during 60 seconds, or outdoor unit does not receive the feedback from indoor unit during 120 seconds. This failure could be caused by wiring mistake or faulty PCB of indoor or outdoor unit. Troubleshooting is as shown in the figure. Power off, then restart the unit 2 minutes later. If the error still exists, please check if there's any interference. Are there any electrical equipment above 1 kilowatt nearby, such as fluorescence lights, hair dryer, microwave oven, refrigerator, wireless device, etc.? If yes, remove the interference or add magnet ring on power wire. Check whether the signal wire is shield cable or whether the shield cable is grounded. If not, please use the shield cable and fix the shield cable to the ground. Check whether the PQE wire is correctly communicated. P to P, Q to Q, E to E. If not, correct the connection. Check whether the signal wire is broken. If yes, replace the signal wire with a new one. Check whether the signal wires is inserted on PCB well. If not, pull it out and insert back. If error still exists, replace the indoor main PCB. If error still exists, replace the outdoor main PCB.